Hey guys, itsemilyana. Welcome back to my channel. This is an all over vlog. I was taking my Christmas tree, like the ornaments off, packing, and then like a nighttime vlog. So please enjoy, but it does go like straight into each other. It's kind of crazy, but I filmed a whole big video and it was 50 minutes. Decided to split it. I'm sorry I was slacking. I think I need next year to either do just the 12 days of Christmas Vlogmas, do only the 25 days. I might just do the 25 days because I feel like I do good, but I also, when I'm slacking, it's finals. Whenever I was slacking, it was always finals or right after finals. That's whenever I start slacking. In any of my Vlogmas years before, it's always finals week is when I stop, like, trying. Not trying, but I have trouble doing it. And I feel like I say this every year, but I want to start in November. But I don't know why I didn't start in November. I mean, I did, but I didn't. So next year, we'll plan out better. We'll try. But this and the TikTok video, you're getting those both randomly because this is me playing catch up. But you're gonna get those both randomly. That's all filmed the same day. It is. I did so many random things that day, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. So now that it's just like an indoor night, why is this zoomed in? No reason it should be zoomed in. I got pizza portofino. Weirdest thing ever. And I'm so stuck in between reading this big guy, Miss Kingdom of Ash by Sarah J. Maas. How floppy is it? A little bit. Look how thick. 900 and something pages. I want to like finish this now, but it's not a book I could just like finish. It's so hard, but I want to. But like now I want to like watch something while I eat. So I want to put a Christmas movie on. I know what, I'm saving Hot Frosty for when I get home, because I watched all the other shows, movies my mom wanted to watch, like Christmas movies. We love watching Christmas movies, and Hot Frosty is the only one I didn't watch, so I don't want to watch that, but I want to put something Christmassy on. I was watching like Vlogmas videos earlier, but I don't know. We'll see what I put on. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe. Hopefully it wasn't too crazy, but they're always kind of crazy. Like, subscribe, all that. Comment what you're excited for, like for Christmas. It's getting closer, but or if you're just out of finals, if you're excited to get home, or if you're excited finals are over, comment anything like that. I like seeing comments. I like the comment section. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time or tomorrow. My battery's 10%. Oh god. Alrighty, you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, bye.